Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Scott Maphuma's career is really ending kesana and yakubona naye logo and i-crew yakhe or the team yakhe nayo iyakubona logo, and I'm just asking myself ukuthi why were they so quiet all along? Why bebangamkhodi mfana ukuthi hayi qha asoyaphambuka utuluza ama-fans ifoto actor ngale ndlela. uScott Maphuma suke wathatha ifame wayibeka enhloko, and now people are showing him ukuthi phela wena ula ukhona because of thina. Ukhipha ama-video uloku uyaqolisa, but bantu bathi hayi qha asiyingeni thina leyo. Wena you knew what you were saying and you knew what you were doing ngalesikhathi uthi wena ula ukhona because of yourself and not because of us. So whenever perform abantu bamnikete the moment of silence, bamghoste bantu bambuka performer, people like are just saying ukuthi hayi thina asidingeni. So i-team yakhe ikhiphe a statement on behalf of uMaphuma lesifundzeka ngale ndlela. Ithi 8 January 2025 statement from Scott Maphuma. To my fans and supporters, I sincerely apologize for my recent actions and words which represented, disrespected and disappointed many of you. I lost the perspective and take a full responsibility. This has been a wake-up call. I now understand the importance of staying grounded and connected to those who make the journey possible. I'm committed to learning, growing and regaining your trust through my actions. Thank you for everyone who held me accountable. I hear you and I will do better. Scott Maphuma. So uyazama uqolisa uScott Maphuma angema actions akhe. Simbonile uqolisile anayitolo ku live with who's this guy uMaphorisa, waqolisa ku Twitter, waqolisa ku Facebook, went the video even today saying aqolisa, and people are really shocked ukuthi hayibo wena uthetha wena usincingi nje. Thetha wena thina ngesikwende lutho manje siyakhomba thina seyicountry ukuthi azidlali la, azidlali like serious. Uthi nje uqolisa lokuphuma enhlitweni yathi sola, and uyabonga ukuthi guys nimkhombile ukuthi ninemuntu qha ningamuyisa, nimkhombile ukuthi just because usetop it doesn't mean ukuthi angahlala esetop if angabatreat kahle labanye bantu. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.